Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and we have got another one of these great products where you get everything that you need in the box, less the double A's that you need to put in the transmitter. This is the Volantex RC Sport Cub 500. Good for probably outdoor and indoors as well, and we'll definitely try that on another video. But as with a lot of Volantex RC products, the transmitter comes with a few features. It comes with beginner, middle and expert mode. Beginner mode, you are not going to be able to roll inverted or pull loops or anything like that. It's going to keep it simple, reduce the bank angle just so you can fly nicely. The mid mode will give you more bank angle and more agility, and the expert mode takes off those constraints completely so you can do aerobatics however you want. You've also got an aerobatics button, trick button, that you can press in the beginner or mid mode. You press that and then you pull on one of the sticks and it will do a roll or it will do a loop to add a bit of interest and excitement to your flying when you're a beginner. So let's give it a go, see how it flies. So that's beginner mode. Let's put it in mid. Might get more bank angle now, more control. If I get a bit of height, let's try the trick button. Bit of power. And that was a half roll. And that's a loop. And that's a half roll. A very, very slow roll. Okay, so let's put it in expert mode. So now I've got full control. I can throw it around however I want now. Let's land. So there we go, that's the Sport Cub 500 made by Volantex RC, sold by Banggood.com. The link is in the video description. Fun little scale looking model. There is actually a Cub out there, isn't there? A full-size Cub. So it's great that Volantex are making these scale models now. Little foamies, almost indestructible because of the foam it's made from. And you could fly this as a real beginner. You know, this is a good first-time model, and you even as an expert, it's a bit of fun to fly as well. And next video, we'll try it out indoors as well. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time. If I get a bit of height, let's try the trick button.